Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Prelims Current Affairs program brought to you by Ekam IAS. Today is 18th of July 2018. The topics that we will be dealing today are Double Taxation Avoidance Agreement, Petcoke, Section 497, Special Safeguard Duty, and finally we have US-India Business Council. So the first topic for the day is Double Taxation Avoidance Agreement. Double Taxation Avoidance Agreement is simply a tax treaty which is signed between two countries. The major intention behind such an agreement is to avoid paying double tax or avoid being taxed twice. So here two countries are involved. One is the residence country and the other is the source country. The residence country is the country where the company or the business has the root, which is the home country of the company. And the source country is the country in which the business or the company has invested and started generating income. Sometimes the company has to pay tax both in the home country and the source country for the profit they have generated in the source country. In order to avoid such a scenario, this double taxation avoidance agreement has been brought. So currently India has double taxation avoidance agreement with over 8 countries: US, UK, Canada, Australia, Germany, Mauritius, Singapore, etc. By signing double taxation avoidance agreement, it will provide a better atmosphere for the business to invest abroad and also to attract more FDI into the country. The next topic is Petcoke. So currently discussions are going on regarding imposing ban on the import of this Petcoke. So it is frequently there in news. It could be a potential topic for next year's prelims. So more about Petcoke. Petcoke is basically a byproduct of refining crude oil, or it is formed on the process of refining crude oil. So the relevance of Petcoke is it has more calorific value than coal. That means it produces more heat than coal. That's why it has a wide range of industrial applications like power production and using steel and iron plants, etc. But the major disadvantage of this Petcoke is it produces more carbon. It produces more carbon and other hazardous substances like sulfur and heavy metals on burning. It causes serious health issues for the people who inhale the gas which is produced from burning of this Petcoke. And that is the reason why the government is thinking about banning or imposing ban on the import of this Petcoke. The next topic is Section 497. So it is another topic which is whose discussion are still going on regarding dropping of this section from IPC, and it is frequently in news. It is one of the major topic which is more important for mains than prelims. So you should know clearly what this section 497 is all about. Section 497 is a case of adultery. Adultery can be defined as having physical relationship with a woman who is married without her husband's consent. So here the man who is involved in such an act is considered as guilty. So the specialty of the law is the law applies only to men. That is only the man who is involved in the act. The willingness of the woman, the willingness or the consent of the woman is not taken into account, and the woman is not considered as guilty. Under the act, the guilty is punishable up to a term of 5 years. The critics call these acts as romantic paternalism. You can note down this term romantic paternalism because you can use this term in mains answer writing as well as in your essay because such powerful term can improve the quality of your answer. So the central government's stand on this issue is that they don't want to drop this section, but they want to make it a gentle neutral section. That is to expand its scope by including women into the ambit of this section. The next topic is Special Safeguard Duty. So the news relating to this Special Safeguard Duty is that recently the Directorate General of Trade Remedies has recommended 25% Special Safeguard Duty on solar imports. So what is this Special Safeguard Duty? There was a provision in WTO agreement that the member countries can impose special duties in order to protect the local industries from cheaper imports. The cheaper imports, due to its lower price, will attract more market than the local industry. So in order to avoid that, the special safeguard duty will be imposed. This special safeguard duty is recommended by Directorate General of Trade Remedies, as I said earlier. So what is this Directorate General of Trade Remedies? It is a national authority in order to provide comprehensive trade defense mechanism in India. Earlier, there was another body called Directorate General of Anti-Dumping and Allied Duties. That body was replaced by the Directorate General of Trade Remedies. So the major objective behind establishment of this body is to deal with anti-dumping and to promote safeguard measures. And the recommendations made by this Directorate General of Trade Remedies will be considered by Department of Revenue. The last topic is United States India Business Council. The United States India Business Council, or USIBC, is a forum of companies in order to promote business cooperation between India and United States. The major objective of establishment of such a council is one is to act as a direct link between business and the two countries. The other is to bring up a consensus between business and the countries and the government. And also it aims to act as a representative of the industries to bring their perspective in front of the government authorities. They are established in the year 1975. And its headquarters is located in Washington, D.C. And that's all for today. For more news, please go to our daily prelims current affairs material, which you can find it in the link attached below. Thanks for watching.